Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to fix Deccan AC beep sound not working. So whenever you face this type of problem, the first thing that you can do is you can simply try to reset your AC. So in your remote you will have this mode option and this is the reset button. So you just have to press this button and wait for some time until your AC is getting reset, and then you just have to check whether the beep problem is fixed or not. I was also searching for the troubleshooting methods, then I came across this Reddit post. Here this person said that unfortunately it's the way they manufactured it, meaning that it will continue to beep and there is no control to turn off the beep unlike other manufacturers. So according to this person, this beeping problem cannot be solved. However, the reset method would definitely work for you. But still, if you are facing that problem, you just have to simply come to Daikin.com, and over here you just have to simply click on connect with us on WhatsApp. So on WhatsApp you can directly contact with the customer executive from Daikin, and to them you can simply ask how to actually reset your AC, or they can also give you the solution for this beeping problem. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.